Assalamu alaikum. This is Muhammad Siddiq. In the our previous video, we just speak about the basic structure of the module. So today we just gonna learn about the custom menu in the client side. So we will achieve that through the hooks provided by the Perfex CRM. So there's some of the hooks which you guys can use for the different scenarios in your developments. So today we will just use the custom customers navigation and uh, action hook. So in the documentation, some of the hooks are not enlisted, so you guys need to explore it from the code. So let's start it. So this is one of my customers, so I'm just gonna log in as a customer. So you guys see there's some of the existing menus in the client side. So let's add a custom by self. So this is our basic file of the our module, uh, as we have created in the last video. So I'm just gonna copy this one. I just add there the name of the hook. So whenever this hook is called, so we have to trigger one of our function. So I just will write there some of my customer custom name of my function. So you guys can write anything, any name there as per your need. So I'm just gonna create that one function. So this is the function. So we can add like, yeah. So I guess like uh, this hook will be triggered when all of the items like the navigation menus are enlisted in the customer side. So after the all of the existing menus, we can add our custom menu in the customer side as well. So let's see what happens in the customer side now. So I'm just gonna reload that one, and it seems it's there. So for the moment, because it's the module name, so for the customer side I just created one of another controller which have a extended by the client's controller. In the client's controller we don't needed any authentication by the admin side. So I'm just gonna in the lowercase. So why I just added as a prefix the module name, because when you are interacting with a control which have the same name as your module folder name, so there's no issue. And whenever you are interacting with a custom controller which have not a similar name as your module, so you need to write the module name and then the controller name, and after that you will be able to access that controller. So there's my controller. I just write some of the text so you guys can uh, load some of the views and make as per your logics. So I'm just gonna click on that menu. So it seems like we are on the controller. So this is how we can add a custom menu through the hooks in a module in Perfex here. So I'm just gonna put the link of that module file in the description, and also the official documentation of the Perfect CRM as well. So let's see you guys in the next video. Allah Hafiz.